London's entire underground network has been closed after an explosion at Aldgate Underground station in the east of the city.
Thursday, July the 7th, 2005, in central London, the rush hour was nearly over when reports started hitting TV screens.
King's Cross and Liverpool Street have been evacuated.
The full story was even worse than initial reports suggested. There had been a series of coordinated suicide bomb attacks on the tube network and a bus. 52 people were killed and about 700 injured, many critically.
There was just this explosion in the carriage next door, and then it was just all this smoke and you couldn't breathe.
London emergency teams had been rehearsing such a scenario many times. Now they had to put it into action. The transport network was closed down, and MI5, anti-terrorist officers and forensic scientists combined efforts to find who was behind the attacks. Forensic evidence confirmed that 4 men caught on CCTV had been close to the site of the explosions. They were all British subjects. It later emerged 3 of the suspected bombers had travelled by train from Leeds to Luton. A 4th had travelled there by car. They were all carrying rucksacks. When police later found and examined the car, they discovered it contained 2 more bombs packed with nails, primed and ready to detonate. From Luton, the 4 suspects boarded a Thameslink train and travelled to King's Cross. 3 of them had been caught on CCTV a week earlier rehearsing the trip. Here at Luton and here at King's Cross. At 8:30 on the 7th, they were again caught on CCTV at King's Cross. They disappeared into the station, and the bombs they were carrying exploded on the underground within a minute of each other. The first went off 8:51 on a Circle Line train approaching Liverpool Street. The next on a Circle Line train leaving Edgware Road. And the last on a Piccadilly Line train between King's Cross and Russell Square. At 9:47, a bomb on a number 30 bus in Tavistock Square exploded. This survivor was just a few yards from the blast on the train going to Russell Square.
Everyone was screaming, I was screaming, I thought I was going to die. It was horrific. My hair felt funny, it was the heat and I think dried blood. I looked at checked my face, then I checked my leg, and I could basically feel the inside of my leg. It was ripped wide open.
You were in one of the trains?
Yes, I was in.
The Queen, visiting some of the casualties, had a defiant message that expressed the nation's mood.
Those who perpetrate these brutal acts against innocent people should know that they will not change our way of life.